Hello, kids! Let's learn our ABCs with 2 fun words for each letter. Ready? Let's go! A for apple, A for ant, A, apple, ant. B for ball, B for bee, B, ball, B. C for cat, C for car, C, cat, car. D for dog, D for drum, D, dog, drum. E for egg, E for elephant, E, egg, elephant. F for fish, F for fan, F, fish, fan. G for goat, G for grapes, G, goat, grapes. H for hat, H for hen, H, hat, hen. I for ice, I for ink, I, ice, ink. J for jug, J for jam, jug, jug, jam. K for kite, K for king, K, kite, king. L for lion, L for leaf, L, lion, leaf. M for mango, M for man, M, mango, man. N for nest, N for net, N, nest, net. O for owl, O for orange, O, owl, orange. P for pen, P for pig, P, pen, pig. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q, queen, quill. R for rat, R for ring, R, rat, ring. S for sun, S for star, S, sun, star. T for tree, T for toy, T, tree, toy. U for umbrella, U for uncle, U, umbrella, uncle. V for van, V for violin, V, van, violin. W for watch, W for wall, W, watch, wall. X for x-ray, X for xylophone, X-ray, xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yellow, Y, yak, yellow. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z, zebra, zip. We sang our ABCs, 2 words for every letter. Great job, kids! See you next time at Little Wonder Lab.